Hi everyone, today I'll be making a super delicious and a super healthy mushroom soup. I'll start by adding some butter in a pan, and then I'm adding around 30 grams of sliced garlic. I'll saute this nicely. And then I'm adding around 150 grams of roughly chopped onions. I will saute the onions until they are nice and tender. I'm also adding about a teaspoon of salt at this point. Once the onions are well cooked, add the sliced mushrooms. I'm adding around 300 grams of mushrooms here. Mushrooms are wonderful vegetables. They are loaded with nutrients, vitamins and minerals. I'm going to cook the mushrooms in a covered pan until they are soft and tender. I'm also adding about a teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm cooking the mushrooms until the water is evaporated. Once they are completely cooked, I'm transferring the mushrooms into a blender jar to make a fine paste. In the same pan, I'm adding some butter and transfer the mushroom puree into the pan. I'm adding some water into this mixture. Combine everything nicely. At this point, you can check the seasoning of the soup. Add some salt and pepper as per your requirement. Boil this mixture for about 5 minutes and then add about 50 ml of fresh cream. Combine everything nicely. Boil for about 2 minutes. Don't boil for too long once you add the cream, otherwise the soup will curdle. So that's it, the soup is ready now. As you can see, the soup is having a nice pourable consistency. I'm also adding some pieces of mushrooms to give some texture to the soup. I'm serving the soup with some toasted bread slices. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.